Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Hi, friends. We're very happy you're here learning English with us today.
In today's lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Introducing yourself is very important when you meet someone for the first time.
Yes, you may introduce yourself at school, at work, or when meeting new friends.
Today, we will learn simple phrases you can use in everyday conversations.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice speaking.
All right, let's begin.
The first phrase is, "Hello, my name is..."
You use this when you meet someone new.
Example, "Hello, my name is Alex."
Another example. Hello, my name is Luna.
Listen again. "Hello, my name is Alex."
Hello, my name is Luna.
Now repeat with us.
Hello, my name is... The next phrase is very common. Nice to meet you.
People say this when they meet someone for the first time. Example conversation. "Hello, my name is Alex."
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Listen again. "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
Repeat with us.
Nice to meet you.
Now let's talk about where you are from. The phrase is, "I am from."
Example, I am from Canada.
Another example, "I am from Pakistan."
Listen again. I am from Canada.
"I am from Pakistan."
Repeat with us. I am from. The next phrase is, I live in. You use this to say where you live. Example, I live in London.
Another example, "I live in New York."
Listen again. I live in London.
"I live in New York."
Repeat with us. I live in.
Now let's talk about jobs. The question is, what do you do?
This means, what is your job? Example conversation.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Another example, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Listen again. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Now let's answer the question. I work as.
Example, "I work as a doctor."
Another example. I work as a manager.
Listen again. "I work as a doctor."
I work as a manager.
Repeat with us.
I work as.
Now let's talk about hobbies. The phrase is, "I like..."
Example, I like reading books.
Another example, "I like playing football."
Listen again. I like reading books.
"I like playing football."
Now let's listen to a full conversation.
"Hello, my name is Alex."
Nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Luna.
"Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?"
I am from Canada.
"Oh, nice. What do you do?"
I work as a teacher. That's great.
Let's listen again. "Hello, my name is Alex."
Nice to meet you. I am from Canada. I work as a teacher.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
"Hello, my name is..."
Nice to meet you.
"I am from..."
I live in.
"I work as..."
I like.
Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to introduce yourself in English.
These phrases are very useful when meeting new people. Practice them every day to improve your English speaking. Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Introduce yourself in the comments. Write, "My name is blank and I am from blank."
We would love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us today. See you in the next episode.